Hello everybody, this time I'm just describe you how to secure your WordPress websites. Now I have already logged in with my credential at my WordPress website. Now I need to search a good plugins like WordPress. This is a beautiful plugins to secure your WordPress website. I have already installed at now you can see that it is already installed. You can just install WordPress security at your WordPress websites. Another plugin is all-in-one security plugins, that is called, I have already installed it, all-in-one WP securities and firewalls. Now I am going to describe you how to configure the WP securities. After successfully installed and activate these plugins, you can just find out the tabs WP security at the left side bar. Just click on user registrations. In that you can see that the check buttons, you need to check it out. Enable manual approval of new registrations, you need to check it out. Save settings. Now this times you need to secure your database securities also. By default the prefix of the tables of the database is WP underscores. I am just changing it by giving some other unique name like my WP demo 1 and click on change DB prefix. Then it automatically convert your default WP underscores to WP demo 1. It's showing some message that W39 tables has been successfully changed the prefix. Now go to the file system securities. Now you can see that there is some permissions which are current and which are recommended. You can see all of the current permission is recommended permission, so we does not need to change the permissions. If we found the permission is different, then there will be a buttons which you need to click to set the recommendation permissions. So through that we can change the file system securities also. And next go to the firewall tab. Enable basic firewall protections. In that part, enable ping back protections, block access to debug log files, enable it by check it out. Save basic firewall settings, click on that buttons. So in the next, click on additional firewalls rules. So click on disable trace track, forbid proxy comment posting, denied bad query strings, enable advanced character strings filter. Click save additional firewall settings. Leave it the disable index views. Go to the 5G blacklist firewall rules. Enable 5G firewall protections. Just click on that and save firewall settings. Just go to the internet boards. Block fake Google bots. Click on that. It will be prevent from Google bots which are fake. Prevent image hot links. And 404 detections, you can change it and you can put the custom rules at here. If you have a custom rules, then you can put the custom rules at here. It will be right in the .htt access files. So it is a very powerful tools. Go to the brute force in the next WP securities. The brute force is basically used for changing the path of the administrator login. So I am just changing it by giving some unique name like WP demo 1 and check it out and save settings. So it will be changed the path of the administrator login. You can just keep it with your laptop or desktops, whatever. So next, going to the cookies based brute force preventations, just enable it and enable both. At the bottoms, my site has posts or pages which are password protected. Just leave it. And my site has themes or plugins which use Ajax. Yes, if you are having a good theme, then definitely it has a Ajax. So go to the login captcha also. Login captcha also, enable captcha on login page, enable captcha on custom login forms, enable captcha on lost password page also. It will preventing some of the scamming. So in the next, go to the spam preventations, enable captcha on comment forms, blocks spam bots from posting comments. It reduces the fake comments at your WordPress website. Now go to another plugins. This is the WordFence. It is very powerful tools also. Just go to the scan tabs in the WordFence. Now you can start a WordFence scan. That means it analyzes the files of your WordPress website one by one, and it display it will be secure or success or for paid memberships. WordPress also has a two kind of plugins, one for free, one for paid versions, and paid versions has some other functionalities. So it describing one of the issues is the plugins need to be upgrades. So we need to upgrade these plugins to remove the unauthorized hackers or some of other kind of security hoops. So thanks for watching these videos. I hope you like these videos. Thanks.